Lip sync secrets only for Indians. So if you remember your childhood, you would have learned swar and vyanjans. Swars are a, I, e, and vyanjans are ka, kha, ga, gha. Now, how to use that in lip sync? If you see here, ka, kha, ga, gha, ha, all these letters actually sound the same. We do the lip sync in animation on the basis of the sounds, not on the basis of the letters or the languages. We do the mouth shapes on the basis of what we hear in our ears. So if you see this, ka, kha, ga, gha, ha, all these letters sound the same. So this is the shape which you can create to have this letter sounds. Similarly goes with cha, cha, ja, jha, sha, sha, sh. All these sounds the same. So you can have this lip shape to have these sounds. Then comes ta, tha, da, dha, na. Again, your tongue touching the palate and then creating this shape for all these letters. Then comes ta, tha, da, dha, na, ya, ra, la. Again, using your lip and your tongue touches and comes back in these letters. If you consciously listen, all these actually sound the same. If you have your mouth shape ta, tha, da, dha, na, ya, ra, la, you can actually speak all these letters with just one mouth shape. Same goes with pa, bha, ba, ma. That means when you create a shape of M, you can use it for P, B, BH as well. Then comes ba and fa. There's a little bit of difference, but yes, these are the shapes, especially for Indians, because they are aware of this swar and vyanjans. I hope you like the video. If you wish to learn lip sync practically for your animations, follow my channel. Thank you.